What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Tony. This is 410 Auto Tech's channel. So question is where I've been, what I've been up to. Some of you already know I recently let go of my 2006 Cobalt SS Supercharged. What an amazing car it's been. I've had it since 2011. Recently got rid of it right before Halloween. I was on my way to work and check engine, downshifting. Heard the exhaust change. The check engine light popped on. I knew there was something wrong because it was pretty much dead misfire. Couldn't do anything about it. It was down the street. It was either, let it get towed or try to milk it. She was super reliable. She'd never let me down, and she still didn't let me down. She drove to work, parked it, popped the hood, nothing but smoke, oil. So I knew something happened. Didn't hear any noise. So I was like, alright, cool. It's not any noise. But at that time, I was already in the stages of probably trying to get a new car in the upcoming months, or sooner or later. But went to work, continued my work day, came out, pushed the car in, popped the hood. Like I said, there was a whole bunch of oil on top. I was like, alright, well, scan the car, dead misfire, cylinder number 4. I didn't hear any mechanical, like real bad mechanical, like damage noise. But I did hear something different, so I was like, alright, cylinder 4 has a misfire, let me pull the plug, pull the wire, pull the ignition coil, pull the spark plug, let me check it out. Pulled that, the spark plug boot was blown in pieces. I wanted to go look at the spark plug. It was just sitting on top in the cylinder wall. I was like, damn, that's probably pretty bad. So I pulled it out. Threads looked like they were pulled. I was like, great, let me try to retap it, try to put a different spark plug in there. It would tighten up and then go back to loose. I was like, alright, great, I got to do something about it. This is not cool. But within those couple of days of me just looking at it for a little bit, I was lucky enough that I had some friends that work with me that would take me to work, pick me up, drop me off, and everything else like that. And pretty stressful, to be honest, trying to relying on someone else and getting picked up on their time and dropped off on their time. But either way, so I was like, all right, great. Either I have to take the cylinder head off, send it to a machine shop, or let's see what I could do in trying to fix it. I didn't really want to put a helical. I'd rather put a time strip, which is more permanent and a better fix in my eyes. So I was like, all right, cool. One of the guys there had a kit that he said he had at home, so he had to go find it. A couple days go by more, and then he did find it, brought it to work, pulled the Cobalt back in, and then in that meantime, I'm just looking online for new vehicles to look at, just in case. I was like, I don't really want to continue to spend too much money. So I was like, all right, well, whatever. And then I found a couple that I did like, and I was like, I don't really want it. I want to fix the Cobalt and continue to drive it. But in my mind, a two-door sucks as a family car, which is terrible. Really would love to not get rid of it, but to buy another vehicle and keep the Cobalt. But where I live is not really manageable to have it. I don't have a garage to keep it, and there's not a lot of parking here. And if I would keep the plates and all that, I would have to keep paying insurance on it. But went back to work and started cleaning the threads up, expanding it, tapping it. So what I learned, a little trick, was put a little bit of any type of grease on the while you're rethreading the hole, and it'll get a lot of the shavings. Instead of falling completely down into the cylinder wall, it'll stay on the tap. So when you pull it out, you clean it, put it back in, put more grease on it, keep threading it in and out until you get good enough threads. And then I stuck glue. I stuck some more grease on a magnet, and it picked up all the metal shavings that were in cylinder number 4. And I was like, all right, cool. Pretty much put the new time insert in it, put the new spark plug in it, put a new coil in it, changed the oil, had an exhaust leak. We fixed that, got it running, drove it, ran like a champ. And then I was like, you know what? It's got 156,000 miles. I said, I can continue to fix it. That's not a problem. I was like, alright, I know as a mechanic, it's the more of the downtime where you're in a pickle. You're just like, we know we can fix it. We can continue to fix it. All we have to do is pay for the parts, and that's what we have to do. And our labor is just us working on it when we can. But it sucks. It's when we can what really affects us of if we're going to continue putting money into a car or look into another vehicle. At that point, I spoke to my wife, and I was like, I really want to keep her, but two-seater with a kid, if we expand the family, it's not beneficial. So where we're living now, it's not manageable to keep, like I said, to keep that car and then her car and then a newer vehicle in my eyes. So I was like, and then I went to work and found, I have a friend that is a salesman. I talked to our manager, and the numbers were great. Perfect trade-in value that they gave me for the Cobalt, which pretty much resulted in me in trading her in. I really didn't want to, and I was like thinking of ways to keep the Cobalt and not buying another vehicle, but then the numbers were just too sweet to pass up, and I was like, alright, well, this is what it is. I'm going to buy a new vehicle, and I need to be back on the road and not have to worry about, if I have time through this day and that day. And, of course, I'm at work. I can work on my car at any time I want, but at that time, if you're working on your car during work hours, you're missing out on, getting paid, because I am a flat rate technician, so I get paid on the vehicles that I do turn in. If I'm working on my car, I'm not getting paid. I'm not going to get paid on a customer's car because I'm not working on a customer car. So that's a big factor, but like I said, traded her in. Got a new vehicle. You guys gotta have to wait to see. Definitely make an introduction video to my new vehicle. I really already enjoying it, so I'm making this video pretty late. But other than that, I want to thank you guys because I just hit 1,000 subscribers on my channel. Really didn't think that was gonna happen at all. I was just making videos just to have fun. I was on a weekly schedule of dropping videos as much as I could. I've been having so much fun, but life happens. Life happens at you. You don't expect it. It is what it is. I can't, this has been an amazing amazing journey. I've met some incredible guys on here, I've met some incredible people on here. It's been fantastic. Can't complain. I want to give you guys a big shout out to all you guys who helped me. I was on the Maintenance Man's live stream, and I was a couple subscribers away, and he gave me another shout out. So I want to thank him because he pushed me over to the edge of to hit to the 1,000 subscriber mark, and there's so many people that helped me out throughout my journey. Big shout out to Kyle from the Rust Belt, Justin Dow, who has shouted me out a couple times, Junk from work has shouted me out a couple times, Old Car Auto Guy, Captain Ron, just so many incredible people that's helped me out throughout the journey. I want to thank you guys, thank my subscribers. So I'll definitely be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned. I got one coming in the mail of what I want to give away. Maybe I want to give away maybe two more things. Not sure if I'm gonna make a video or do a live stream for the giveaway, or make a 2-night live stream, not back to back. But you guys tell me what you guys would rather do: make a video or do a live stream, or I'll consider all situations. So, alright guys, keep it real. Just like I said, stay tuned to my. I don't know when I'll be dropping a new video about my new vehicle. If you guys want to take some guesses, a few people do already know, but if you guys want to take some guesses, go shoot it out. Hopefully you guys will be impressed. I know I'm impressed. I'm loving it. I'm not going to give you any clues. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'm not too sure. I haven't even posted it on Instagram yet. But till next time, it's going to be 410. Auto Tech out.